6 plus 2 parenthesis 8 to the power of 3 divided by 16. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 parenthesis 8 to the power of 3 divided by 16. 8 to the power of 3 is 512, which is 512 divided by 16. Put down our 8 here. 512 divided by 16 will give us 32. Then we have 8 times 32. 8 times 32 will give us 256. 256 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, and in our parentheses we have an exponent, which is 8 to the power of 3. 8 to the power of 3 is 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512. We have 512 divided by 16. Then put down our 6 plus 2 here. 512 divided by 16 will give us 32. Then we have 6 plus 2 times 32. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there's a multiplication sign in between. 2 times 32 will give us 64. Then we have 6 plus 64. 6 plus 64 is equals to 70. 70 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.